let's unbox this. So guys, this is our speaker from Philips. It's a wireless sans-fil speaker technology by which you can play music wirelessly. It's a mono speaker, but the quality is better. Here are some specifications for the manufacturers and Philips over here branding. So let's unbox this box also. I think seal can, yeah. So guys, at the top there is a micro USB cable for charging the Bluetooth speaker. Now let's take out our speaker. Let's keep our speaker aside. First see what next in the box. Here are some manuals, and I think you won't be reading this. So let's keep aside this. So guys, our main focus is our speaker, which is from Philips. It's a mono speaker and it is the best of one of the speaker in this range because of its compact design and having a good music. This speaker is best in range because of its audio performance with the compact design. It has only one defect, which is only have a mono channel. If it is a dual channel in this range, then I think this is the best speaker in this range. So guys, let's check this. So guys, let's check this speaker sounds.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't laugh anymore. What was all of it for? Oh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. I just heard you found the one you've been looking. You've been looking for. I wish I would have known that wasn't me. 'Cause even after all this time I still wonder why I can't move on just the way you did so easily. Don't wanna know the kind of dress you're wearing tonight, if he's holding on to you so tight the way I did before. I overdosed, should've known your love was a game.
So guys, you have listened the sound of this speaker. It's well and good in this range, and I prefer you should buy this Philips speaker if you have a low budget. So guys, let's take this speaker's overview. So at bottom here is some branding from the Philips and have a rubber grips here, and at back you got there a aux cable for audio in and micro USB for charging. At front you got here a slider, first off, second the audio in by the aux cable, and third it's a Bluetooth. And here you got the button, which is for the pairing for the Bluetooth for the other Android device or iOS device which supports Bluetooth. And I think you guys like this video, so please subscribe, comment below for the next videos. Thank you.